Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am here to show you what is in this flat rate envelope. But before I do, Tina, I am so sorry. I'm not cheating on you. I promise. This is just me expanding my horizons, giving you a little break so you can fill up your inventory. That's right. These are ABs, woohoo! And I have found a new company, diamondpaintingdrills.com, and what captured my eye is they had a sampler pack. And because you know me and my trays with Archer's Arts and the monthly color, this sampler pack was for the month of April, and they selected different colors. And then I looked and I was like, oh, they have a February, they have a March, they have a January. Well, I don't think they had a January on their site, but they had a February, March, and April. And I had, it was like, oh my gosh. So you guys need advertising tips to get my eye is have something that is monthly. So here we go. We're gonna dive in, and the person who runs the site has a sale going on, and every month it looks like she takes 25% off the sampler pack. So April currently is $20 instead of $25. So we're gonna look in here and see what this is. So it's flat rate inside a flat rate. Well, that's genius. Genius, genius. Okay, so there's a little note on here, but it's Diamond Painting Drills, and it's from a woman named Alyssa. So go check them out. Oh, they even got a little sticker. Okay, so let's open this and see what's in here. Oh my goodness, let's see if these, oops, tweezers. Oh, this is very sticky. Very sticky. Ugh. Ugh. Muscles. This wasn't going to go anywhere. There we go. Whew. 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 All right. Oh, that's so cute. See, on the website, the sampler pack, you get 12 colors. And they have them in rounds and squares, and you get 600 plus of each color. So here we go. I don't know which is which. Oh, she sent me stickers. Oh, I'm so excited. I was jealous when I saw them on the outside. I was like, I would love stickers. Thank you so much, Alyssa. Okay, so let's see here. I don't know what's what. Let me see. These are so cutely wrapped. Look at this. So I'm going to cut them all just to kind of be ready. And I got the round. She offers them in round and square. So I got round and square in each one. So I got a total of 6 of the packs. 2 for April, 2 for February, 2 for March, and then I got a specialized pack. So we'll look at that in a minute. Let me see what color this is. Yeah. Okay, so this is the April pack. Look at this, guys, look. Is that not adorable? Okay, so you get this little storage bin. This is the rounds. So I'm gonna try to get this sticker off. Everything is so well wrapped. So you can see right here, she has a sticker that says round. It's from Diamond Painting Drills. When you open it up, you get these little cute containers, and then she has the sticker on the back what AB color it is. How adorable is that? And then they open. Isn't that cute? And so her April ones as you can see, we're all kind of that blue-gray color. Okay, so let's look and see what colors. There's 3750, 3843, 318, 5200, 775, 160, 995, 791, 939, 820, 3325, 3841. Now, when you go on her site, she actually has down below the picture what you're going to get in here. So you're not going to be surprised. You're going to know what colors you get in the pack. Currently, this is $20 to get this. And so I think that's a great deal for 12 of these. And you can choose the drill shape you want. Some of the squares and rounds are different colors. So for instance, you've got all the same colors in this row, all the same colors in this row, and then in this row, the difference is in the squares you get $9.96, but in the rounds you get $33.25. So that's, and this, that's the difference. So here's the squares. Look at how pretty those are. I'm so excited. So that's April. So when I was going through and seeing that, I was like, oh, she has other months. And Alyssa, I think you should keep doing this because I'm going to be drooling and looking to see what you have for May. So let's see. I don't know which one this is. Oh, so this is February. So what she did for February is she did purples and pinks. Oh, so these are the rounds: 606, 666, 321, 601, 602, 3806, 818, 963, 605, 55, or 550, 208, and 210. So these are the rounds. Absolutely gorgeous. These are the squares. Most of the colors are the same, but it's probably just depends on what is available in ABs. And then this was March. I thought these colors, you know my favorite color is green, right? And so, whoop, look at that. Does that not just scream March? So these are the rounds, and then these are the squares. So I am so excited. Now these are normal price because it's not April, you know, this isn't April colors. February is normal price, and this is April. So look at that. You've got February, March, April. Oh, I can't wait to see what she has for May. I just thought this was a great way to get a sampler pack. Now, she does sell them in non-samplers as well. So you can buy just one color. You don't have to get the sampler pack. But what I liked about the sampler pack is I like just to add a tiny bit of bling. And so this is a great way. And look, you can just put this on your shelf. It's absolutely beautiful. And thank you so much, Alyssa. So you're probably sitting there going, well, what in the world is this? This is not January. This is something different. Let me pull it up on the website so I can tell you. Let's see here. I think these are what she calls crystal drills. And she says, think, I can never say the word. It's Swarovski. I butchered that. I'm so sorry. But this is a sampler pack of the crystal drills. So let's open these up. And I think these are similar. These might be like sparklers. Let's see. Oh, she said, look at this. She said a little treat. Okay, so you get 8 in here. And let me see what she calls it. She calls these the Flame Crystal Set. And I got the round. Yeah, set of 4 and set of 4. So I got 2 sets. Okay. So Rainbow Flame. Let me get a tray. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. No, don't fall. Don't fall. I'm trying to get, I kind of put everything off to the side so I could do this video. And if I touch anything, it's all going to fall over. Okay, so this is called Twilight Flame. Oh, I opened it upside down. That was not wise. Okay, so yeah, these, let's see here. Look at that. So they're kind of like blue, and then they go, it's really pretty. I'm trying to see if they're similar. I think they're similar to sparklers, but isn't that cute? Okay, so let me put these back. And so I got the Twilight Flame. Okay, so I did round and square, and now I see what it is I was wondering how she was gonna do square, but I think this is a round size and this is the square size, and she has R for round right down here, so you know which one's which, and then the one that doesn't have R. So she calls this Twilight Flame. One is the round size, and then this is similar to the sparklers for squares, so this is going to be your smaller size. So I got 4. So this is Rainbow Flame, and then Vernal Flame. Okay, so this one's more like green rainbowy. This one it's got more of the reds and the pinks. This one has more of the oranges. She calls this Autumn. Okay, so these kind of have blue to pink. These are like pink and green, purple and green, and then red and orange. So I got these. Oh, I'm so happy, Alyssa. Thank you so much. These are $3 each, or you can get the sampler pack for $12. So that's what I did. So yeah, and she labels everything beautifully. This is what you get. So check her out. She sells things individually, but then she also sells them in these little sampler packs, which I think is phenomenal. So I hope you liked this little haul, and enjoy. Down below is the link to diamondpaintingdrills.com. Feel free to go bless Alyssa. She does have some like rose gold and regular gold and other options as well. So check her out. So thank you so much, everyone. I love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.